Look at all of this. That looks like the bike Carlos has for a toy. I bet it is. I don't know what that is. That stuff's cool. Look at that. Can't see because of that. Let me see. And this is a giant bike which Peter is next to. Oh, and if you look up close, it's got people's signatures on them. There's a helmet. It's pretty interesting. There's all this cool stuff.
Their engineering involved the latest use of advanced computer technology. They're manufactured with some of the most efficient manufacturing methods used in
This is all. Hey, you okay?
Normally I laugh, but this I actually thought I
Here. Hey, hang out with me. Hang out with me. Whatever. Never mind. Are you gonna hang out with me, or are you gonna go with Diana?
I was gonna go with her so she could be on the motorcycle. Just come with me.
Sure. And Peter, of course. Got you, Peter. We're going back to the motor.